Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make perfect delicious homemade lemonade. So for this, let's see what we have. So first of all, we need 1 liter of water, we need 5 lemon, we need dried mint, half teaspoon, and most people use actually sugar. If you plan to use sugar, then you need 3 tablespoons of sugar. But in today's video I'm gonna show you without sugar because we tried not to use sugar. So instead of that I'm gonna use 3 succulent. So I'm gonna use 3 sweeteners. So for the lemonade, we need the skin of the lemon. So we just peel off the skin in this way. So when we once peeled off the skin, we take the lemons and we take juice out of them. We are gonna put sweetener on top of the skin of the lemon, and then put 3 pieces of sweetener. If you like your lemonade to be sweet, then you can add more of it. We are gonna add dried mint, and then we are gonna mince all of them together. So guys, as I told you, we are not using sugar in our lemonade, but if you guys want to use sugar, then you can use 3 tablespoons of sugar. Guys, the reason we are mincing the lemon skin with the wooden spoon is that the main reason that lemonade is tasty is the lemon skin. So in order to make sure that all of the skin here will be minced together with the mint, we are gonna make sure that at the end it's gonna be all mixed, right? Well mixed. So after that we are gonna add lemon juice that we've used from the lemons in our video, and we'll mix them well. Now we are gonna add 1 liter of water, and then we are gonna mix them. So once you have mixed well, you can take a little bit of ice and you can add this way. You are gonna have perfect lemonade. If you guys want, you can so guys, once you've mixed well, you can use strainer to filter the lemon skin in here and mint, but we prefer to have the lemon skin in here and the mint as well, dried mint. So once you're ready, you can just pour it. This way we have here healthy, delicious recipe for homemade lemonade. It's the best. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you have any comments, please text us. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button, and if you're liking more videos of us, then you can subscribe to our channel and be notified. Wishing you to have a good day. Bye bye.